Hi guys, charity shop Gold or Garbage, out at Yate today. Spotted these kits, in fact I spotted that one first, that one afterwards, in one of the charity shops that were having an everything's a pound day. Now normally these sort of kits, when you see them in charity shops, they want sort of £12, £15 for them. And I said, is this one £1? And they said, yeah, make it easy for you, everything's £1 today. So I bought it. I don't particularly want to make it, but at £1 I thought it was well worth buying. And then when I went back and looked at the shelf, there was this one as well, also £1. Now I picked this one up and shook it and it felt particularly heavy. And when I looked inside, there's a nice pair of pliers in there. It looks like somebody's started on this and they've done the initial painting. So whether all the bits are in there or not, I've no idea. I'm not one of those people who sort of does all this pre-painting and building it properly. I usually just put them together. So I don't know whether to carry on and build it or just leave it, just in case one of my grandsons wants to get into proper plastic model kits, ones that take a bit more than 5 minutes to put together. Well, it looks like the paint's still okay. So I don't know how old this would be. I've got proper glue as well. That's separate, that isn't part of the kit either. Somebody's put that in there. So do I just go ahead and finish it off, or do we leave it for somebody who wants to do it properly and paint it up nicely? That's not a 5-minute job anyway. I'll take those out because if they're in there and it gets rattled around, it might actually damage it. And then this one, it's been opened. Doesn't look like it's been started though. Well, maybe it has. Got one wheel put on, or one tyre put on one wheel. But other than that, it looks untouched. They haven't started painting this one anyway. Yeah, so 2 plastic kits, £1 each, and probably worth a bit more than that. Looks like they haven't got the instructions though with that one. So that might be a bit more of a challenge. Oh no. Yeah, full set of instructions. Okay, panic over. Yeah. So say a little bit more involved than the ones that I normally do. So I think we'll save them. Couple of classic cars. 1966 Volkswagen Beetle. Does that have a date on it? Golf GTI. Yeah. Still, two nice looking kits. They look like they're okay, but I don't intend to do them myself, or at least not unless we have some really rotten weather and I've got nothing else to do. Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. My second channel, Grandad's Other Channel, is where I put the longer videos with more detail. Then there's my Facebook page, and you can follow me on Twitter. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. And if you fancy some Grandad merchandise, I have two shops, one on Redbubble and the other on Cotton Cart. Finally, you can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.